Thumio is the best AI thumbnail editing software. And in this video, I'm going to show you as fast as possible every single feature. So let's start firing it off. Let's jump in. So let's proceed. I'm going to hit new thumbnail here. And the first major feature you might like is fix my thumbnail. Click. Once you get to this screen, you have the ability to either upload your thumbnail or simply provide a YouTube link. So for example, I could put in this YouTube video here, provide the link, use thumbnail, it is grabbed, and I could hit continue. Or alternatively, you could upload from your computer. So let's say I have this thumbnail here, I hit continue, and it'll begin scanning my thumbnail. And once the thumbnail is scanned, I can come over here to the Thumio score, and this is where it gets super cool, y'all. You have the ability to fix very specific issues it sees with a thumbnail, or alternatively, just hit fix all. So in this example, it went ahead and increased the lighting and saturation on my face and everything of this nature. And what you'll notice is that every single edit you do within Thumio, you have the ability to score it again. And therefore, what you can do here is you can iterate until you find a thumbnail you like. And as you see here, it went up by 10 points. Now in the editor itself, you have the ability to branch. So I can branch this and we have a bunch of different tools we can choose from. Simply hitting this wrench here, you have the ability to select all these pre-made tools that are specifically made for YouTube videos. For example, a very simple one is we could literally just flip this. Double click here, apply flip, and you'll notice that I will appear from left to right, and this will switch. And there we go. We flipped. Another thing that currently exists on the platform is the library. In the library, you have access to completely free, commercial-free thumbnail templates. These templates are updated weekly, and in your settings, you can enable like, let me know when the Thumio drop's coming, so you can see all these different thumbnail templates you can leverage. So therefore, we can simply click it. If you like how it looks, but maybe you want it slightly different, say surprise me, or simply hit start editing. You now have the opportunity to hit insert person here, or alternatively hit insert person here, or alternatively go to the tools here and find insert person here, right there. Simply hit click. You're going to choose your model. And of course, you can always add your model. And on top of that, you can do new look here, where maybe you want the same look of yourself, but in the thumbnail, you want to add sunglasses. I can hit sunglasses here. So therefore, every single time I am inserted into a thumbnail, instead of me just having nothing, I have sunglasses on my face. And there we go. We have sunglasses now. So I can click this, tap again, and I'm going to be inserted into this thumbnail with some sunglasses. Take the opportunity here. As you see with new look, you can create a bunch of different variations. Do you want one where you're in a hoodie? Do you want one where you're wearing a green sweater? I don't care what you want, but you have a ton of different opportunity to change how you show up in a thumbnail. And would you look at that? Absolutely amazing. Let's walk through this editor a little bit. What you'll notice is that you have the ability to change the model. This will change how the output looks like. I suggest try them all. Do you like 3.1? Do you like 3? Do you like GBT image 2? I find the best results so far have been with GBT image 2. And by the time you watch this video, the model might even be higher, like GBT image 3. I love it. Let's see some magic here. What you'll notice is that we have the ability to actually put things in our toolbar, such as shortcuts. What a shortcut is simply a tool that you repeatedly use, and you'll notice you're going to do this. So for example, if you find yourself using the A/B test tool, you can hit pin here and then simply double click. But this is where it gets really cool with Thumio. I can branch. And now maybe instead of A/B testing, I want to reshoot it. Reshoot, and then I can branch again. And then maybe instead of reshooting it, I want to try the tool of punch in. These are all firing off at the exact same time in parallel, which gives you full creative freedom to go like this. I'm going to do another branch. I'm then going to select the tool edit region. I'm then going to hover here. I am then going to come down here and say remove glasses. Boom. And you can come back to your main branch here, and we're going to slowly see these new versions of the thumbnail come in. A/B, A/B. What are we testing? The color in the background. Looks like reshoot just came in. Different pose, different angle. Looks like punch in just came in. Look at that. Now I'm in your face. More face. And finally, we were able to remove the glasses via the edit region tool, which I can simply be like, I don't like this. Delete branch. And then maybe I like this. I can branch here and continue the editing path. At any moment, of course, you can always score for free. But on top of that, if you want specific titles for your thumbnail, you can come over here to generate 3 title options. So for this thumbnail, it seems like growing on social media. I can simply put in the context, how to grow on social media, generate 3 title options and get them. Boom, 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 and boom. If at any moment you don't know what a tool does, simply hit the toolbar, simply click the tool, and then you can read above me what it does. Let's take this one step further. You are satisfied with a thumbnail. Let's say I like this thumbnail here. I think it's absolutely amazing. I hit export. Not only do you have the ability to export the original thumbnail, but also the different ratios, whether it's 9:16, 1:1, Instagram, Pinterest, 4:5, Pinterest again, 2:3. Whatever it is, you can simply hit export, and these are being created as well. Beautiful thumbnail. And make sure to share on X, Pinterest, Blue Sky, Threads, Facebook, Reddit, all the beautiful stuff. Make sure to share it. And would you look at that? They are starting to come in. I simply hit view, and we can now see the results here, whether we want to export for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. We want to export it for Instagram 1x1. Corbin, they wanted the 4x5. It's here, 4x5. Look at that classic burn of the Adobe. Burn it, Adobe. And then, of course, 2x3. 2x3, all done with one click. Now, not only do you have access to these templates, but we also have access to recipes, which are pre-made structures that reoccur on all YouTube platforms. So let me go ahead and show you an example of that. Let's say we have a Fortnite channel, amazing Fortnite, my main versus your main. I can either customize and create my own recipe or simply hit start editing. And all this is literally drag and drop, add an image, proceed, add character. I'm gonna add Peely from Fortnite. Peely. Who's your other character? You know what? Peely's gonna go against me. With recipes, you have the ability to adjust what text shows up here, the style of text, everything of this nature. You also have the ability to show how you want this little Peely to do. Maybe we can have him like dancing, maybe under a bridge. I don't care situation. We have complete ability to customize how this thumbnail is going to come out. I then have the ability to provide a YouTube title for more context from the AI to design this the best way possible. Peely versus me, Fortnite 1v1, generate. And there we go. We have Peely versus me. Leave in the comments down below who's going to win. Now, there's a big elephant in the room that I haven't been talking about, but is extremely powerful, and that is the ability for you to put in any request in the thumbnail. So one thing we're noticing in this thumbnail is like, Corbin, this is supposed to be Fortnite. Why is the background not really Fortnite? Let's make it Fortnite. I'm gonna simply do the prompt, make the background Fortnite, and also give me a pump shotgun, a Peely, banana, a gold scar. Y'all remember the days of double pump? Was that 2019, 2018? The double pump. And would you look at that? With our simple request here, Peely has a gold scar and I have a pump shotgun. Would you believe me that I am telling you that this only scratches around 40%, 50% of the platform? There is a ton more we can do with Thumio. So I'm just gonna fire it off right now. Everything we can do, just like boom, boom. Let's save you some time. You like the recipe feature, but you're like, I have a custom recipe. You can build it. Look at the drag and drop system. Drag in. Oh, arrow, health bar, everything, build it. You're like, Corbin, I'm too lazy to actually create a recipe. Can we just take it from another channel or my channel? Yes, simply provide a link to a YouTube video or channel, hit cook, and then congratulations, you're gonna get recipes that are specific to that channel. We'll come back here, don't worry. Did you know that Thumio also has thumbnail sets? A thumbnail set allows you to provide reference channel thumbnails, also provide yourself, also provide images to be shown in the thumbnail like our Thumio logo, also provide whether you want text to show up in the thumbnail, and then mass produce a bunch of thumbnails based off your preference. It's in bulk. Did you know Thumio also does composites? Corbin, I run a podcast. My thumbnails are pretty consistent. It's usually guest A here, guest B here, and a very specific text that is used in the thumbnail. Can I use Thumio? Of course. That is the whole reason composites exist. E.g., I took and created a composite of a thumbnail, and now I can simply insert person A, person B, change the relevant text, and it maintains the actual text font, and then generate a set. And here's an example of that. Person A, person B, specific text, done. Also, that's me. And then coming back over to that recipe I requested, look at that. We can use this recipe now. Did you know that Thumio also gives you the ability to edit in mass? What do you mean mass edit thumbnails? I can literally hit new here. I can go to Thumio tools and hit next. I can choose all the thumbnails I want to edit in mass. I'm click, hit continue. And let's say for every single one of these thumbnails, I want an A/B. I click this, I go A/B testing, I go next, and then I'm able to get an A/B variation of every single one of these thumbnails in one click, bulk edits. Did you know that you're able to use Thumio with a YouTube integration and then be able to do real live A/B tests? But we could do that already with YouTube. No, you can't. Because what this is actually sending micro edits of your thumbnails all done automatically, and then it will compare a champion versus the B A/B test, and then quite literally narrow down your specific DNA of a thumbnail that actually performs highly with your audience. A/B campaigns, check it out. Did you know that you could take your YouTube channel or any other person's YouTube channel and do a CTR report, having the ability to see what videos perform highly, in addition thumbnail strategy, title strategy, and improvement opportunities? So for example, one insight, and pretty obvious for my channel, is for beginners does 12x better than it does for any other type of title in my video. There you go. That is Thumio. Go ahead and check it out, explore it. And if that looked absolutely amazing, make sure to follow Thumio on X at Thumio app. Without further ado, I'll see you in the next. The Corbin quite literally just explained what Thumio is, and it's quite clear that this is going to be the best, if not the best, AI thumbnail editing tool ever to exist type of video.